Yes, dear students, welcome to all of you once again. So, in this session, we are going to discuss some wonderful phenomena of atmospheric refraction which are taking place in nature. Okay, phenomena means natural incident, right? So, or we can say these are the examples of atmospheric refraction in nature. तो सबसे पहले हम पढ़ेंगे apparent position of stars कि जो stars जो होते हैं do they appear at their actual position or we see their apparent position means they appear at the same position or higher or lower than their actual position. इसका reason क्या है? And advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. तो sun rises, okay, and when sun rises in the morning, we see it before its actual sunrise, and same thing happen in the evening when it is sunset. Even then, we are able to see it. And what is the reason behind the oval shape of the sun? And during noon, sun appears circular in shape. What is the reason behind all these phenomena in nature? We are going to discuss. Now, let's move towards the whiteboard. Now let's start the today's session. Okay, so what we are going to do today? Just we discussed that we are going to discuss some phenomena based on atmospheric refraction. Okay, and what are the phenomena? Yes, almost all of you know that number one, कौन सा phenomena हम discuss करेंगे? That when we see the stars in the sky at night, so do we see the actual position of the stars? The answer is no. So that is not the actual position of the stars in the sky. So we see the apparent position of the stars in the sky. And what is the reason behind this? We are going to discuss. Another phenomena, so when we just wake up in the morning to make our day beautiful, okay. So what do we see? The sun. Sun is there and it is giving us light. Now sun actually it appears to us 2 minutes before actually it's sunrise. And same thing happens in evening. Okay, so when we are going to relax and we are going to say thanks to God, there's oh God, thanks, we have spent our day very nicely. So that time, sun, even it has set, it is visible to us. है ना? तब भी हमको दिखाई देता है. So what is the reason behind this? And one more example, one more phenomena we are going to discuss that during sunrise and sunset, sun appears is oval shape. इसका shape जो दिखाई देता है कैसा? Oval shape दिखाई देता है. So what is the cause? इसमें इसका reason क्या है? Which phenomena? तो phenomena just we discuss. Which phenomena? ये जो सब based है based on atmospheric refraction. So how atmospheric refraction is making these things possible, we are going to discuss. Okay. Now let's start. So first of all, what is atmospheric refraction? थोड़ा सा revision because that will help us to move forward and will help us to make the today's topics clear. So first of all, what is atmospheric refraction? So atmospheric refraction. Yes. So refraction, atmospheric refraction. Huh? So this means refraction taking place in the atmosphere. अब बात आती है कि atmosphere में कैसे होगा? And we know that we have discussed that atmosphere is composed of layers of air. So atmospheric refraction क्या? It is a reflection taking place in the atmosphere due to different layers of different optical densities or different refractive indices. ये हमने किया था and I just discuss one numerical I am saying we discuss one example here. Twinkling of stars का example हमने लिया था ना. So this is the earth. यहाँ पर हम लोग हैं and it is surrounded by layers of air. ये हमारी this is one layer and this is second layer and this is third layer. Yes, and we discussed that as we come down, जैसे हम नीचे आते हैं ना here. So when we go up, layer of air कैसे होती है? These are density is decreasing, and when we come down, optical density. We should say optical density or refractive indices. This is refractive indices of all is changing.
तो यहाँ पर रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स जो होती है, और वी कैन से ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी it increases, or we can say mu भी है ना, mu increases. Yes, so this means these layers which are closer to the surface of the earth are denser, और ऊपर की layers जो है वो rarer है. Okay, in comparison to this उनकी optical density क्या होती है, कम हो रही है. So when light is coming from vacuum, जब light इसमें enter कर रही है, okay, light is coming here. So what happens here? Because of the change in optical densities of different layers of atmosphere, the path of the light will change. And change in path of light, we know when it travels from one medium to another, or from it passes through the different layers of different optical density, then its path is changed. So इसका path change होगा. And we know that change in path of light when it travels from one medium to another is known as refraction. So here refraction is taking place in the atmosphere, so therefore it is known as atmospheric refraction. Okay, any doubt here? So this we have discussed earlier also. थोड़ा सा हमने इसको दोबारा से बता दिया. And when we are standing here as an observer on the earth, we find this, we observe this beautiful phenomena. So in last session we discussed twinkling of stars, one example. Second किया था हमने कि stars appear twinkling but planets do not appear twinkling. Okay, क्या reason है इसका? This we have discussed. So today first example, apparent position of stars. We do not see the actual position of stars in the sky at night. We see the apparent position. And what is the cause behind this apparent position? With the help of diagram we are going to discuss. So first I am going to rub it and then we shall discuss next topic. So now stars appear higher in sky than their actual position. Means we see the apparent position of the stars in the sky. So this we are going to discuss. And for this, first we have to make the diagram. Yeah, this is the earth. This is the earth, and O means observer. We are here on the earth, observer है. And these are the different layers of air. I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of air. Okay, and we know that when we come down here, ऐसे, no? So here refractive index mu, it increases. Refractive index increases, नीचे की तरफ increase होती है, और we can say optical density increases. ठीक है, right? So अब देखिए स्टार कहां पर है? Stars are in vacuum में है. तो vacuum से जब light travel करेगी towards earth, तो it has to pass through the different layers of air of different optical densities, or we can say mu जो है refractive index, it increases when we come down. ठीक है, because these layers are denser. ये denser है, ये उससे कम dense है. Okay, इस तरह से, no? So now what happens? तो जब light pass होगी through different layers of air of atmosphere of different optical density, तो then change in path, bending of light will take place. So now let's draw the diagram. So here is a star. ये हमारा star है, and this is the actual position of the star A. तो यहां से लाइट देखिए आएगी, and it will, yes, strike here. ये एटमॉस्फेयर में एंटर कर रही है. Then what will happen? It will bend. This is the normal here. It will bend. ये bend होगा, okay? Because mu is increasing. So here it is denser than this. So it will bend towards normal. Again here it is coming, and here we draw the normal. Again bending is taking place. The bending of light is again taking place here because refractive index it is increasing. Now finally देखिए फिर ये होगा इसमें, okay, and again ऐसे bending होगा. So continuous bending is there, and here it comes straight here. Yes, okay. So continuously bending of light is taking place because refractive index जो है it is increasing. हर layer का नीचे की तरफ refractive index क्या होता है, बढ़ता जा रहा है. So finally light comes to observer. यहाँ पर observer है यहाँ पर, okay. Now this is received by the observer. When this ray of light it is produced backward. देखो तो it appears that this ray of light is coming from this position. It is coming from B. तो B जो है B position is the हमें दिखाई देती है apparent position of the star. So we see the stars which is actually at A, but it appears at B. It appears at B. ये उससे ज्यादा ऊंचाई पर दिखाई देता है. ओके, ये उससे ज्यादा ऊंचाई पर दिखाई देता है ना. तो ये ऊपर से यहां से आते हुए दिखाई देती है. तो this point is higher. B is higher than A. So therefore we say stars appear higher in the sky than their actual position, or we say that we see the apparent position of the stars in the sky. Is it clear now? Yes. So इसको लिखेंगे क्या इसमें? Cause है इसका. Cause is atmospheric refraction. Atmospheric refraction is the cause of this. Okay, star appear high. Now explanation. So this way you should write in exam also. When you write cause, so you are going to get half mark for this. Diagram को half mark मिल जाएगा. 1 mark आपका explanation if it is for 2 marks. Okay. तो इसमें हम क्या लिखेंगे कि number 1 point, atmosphere is composed of different layers of different optical densities. Optical densities or different refractive index, है ना? Or we can write different refractive indexes. ठीक है? चेंज हो रहा है ये. Now second point लिखेंगे. So इसमें क्या होगा? तो when light travels through different layers. So when light travels through different layers of changing optical density. क्या होगा? Change in path, refraction take place, or we can simply write down refraction of light takes place. Okay, takes place. तो रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट देखिए यहां पर हो रहा है. यस. सो इसको आगे इसमें कंटिन्यू करते रहेंगे. रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट इज टेकिंग प्लेस एंड व्हेन दिस फाइनली दिस रे इट appears to be coming from position B which is higher than A. Right? So this way we can write in the exam and we can get good marks also. And now simple method to explain this. Okay. Now note it down. Diagram बना लीजिए. फिर next topic करेंगे. Yes, done. So now after that next topic. Next topic क्या होगा? कि we see the sun before its actual sunrise, and same thing happen. Sun has set in the evening, but even then it is visible to us. What is the cause? Again, cause is atmospheric refraction. We are going to discuss. So now stars appear higher in sky than their actual position. Okay, we are going to discuss. So for this, first we have to draw the diagram. तो ये हमने diagram बनाया. देखिए, this is the earth and surrounded by different layers of air. So different layers of air are there, and observer is here on the earth. Observer क्या होता है? I am writing here O. O means observer is on the earth. We are observer, no? And we know that refractive index जो होता है, okay, it increases when we come towards the earth. Okay, ऐसे आते हैं. We can say that optical density increasing. Optical density here I have to make the star, so I am writing here optical density increasing. Okay, so here optical density is increasing, or we can say या तो optical density लिखें या हम लिखते हैं RI, refractive index increasing. Okay, refractive index mu increasing. So when we are coming down, ठीक है. And star is here. Star is in vacuum. Star जो है वो हमारा vacuum में है. This is position A. Now we know that when light is coming from vacuum to the atmosphere, and atmosphere it is composed of different layers of air, and different layers of air have different optical densities, or we can say that different refractive index. So what will happen? Change in path of light will take place, means refraction of light will take place. Okay, तो refraction कैसे होगा? तो refractive index increase कर रही है, तो means refraction कहां पर ज्यादा होगा? तो refraction will be here in layer 1 more, then उससे कम 2 में, उससे कम 3 में, and सबसे कम refraction होगा 4 में. तो change in path will be maximum in 1 because its refractive index is highest among 4 layers of air. Got it? Is it clear now? Okay. तो देखिए यहां से जो स्टार A पर है, तो इससे पहले ray of light is coming here. So this is the ray of light. This is coming, and here it entering into the atmosphere. तो यहाँ पर हम सबसे पहले एक नॉर्मल ड्रॉ करते हैं. Yes. So now change in path will take place. तो इसमें से change in path. ये हो गया इसका change in path because now yes refractive index is increasing. So now again it is coming from fourth layer to third layer. Third layer में enter कर रहे हैं. Again change in path will be there. थोड़ा इससे ज्यादा होगा ये. Again here, okay, change in path will be there. And now here finally, here it is coming straight here to the observer. Yes, so refraction is increasing when it is coming from this 4 to 3 layer, third to second, and second to 1, because refractive index is increasing downward. No, so finally this ray of light, it appears to be coming. इसको हम देखें तो ये जो रे ऑफ लाइट है, इट अपीयर्स टू बी कमिंग फ्रॉम ए पॉइंट, यहां से आ रही है, ठीक है, पीछे से आ रही है, एंड दिस इज टर्म्ड एज बी. इसको हमने बी ले लिया. तो हियर एक्चुअल पोजीशन ऑफ द स्टार इज हियर, बट इट इज सीन एट पॉइंट बी, एंड विच इज हायर देन ए, विच इज हायर देन ओके ए. तो वी सी द अपरेंट पोजीशन ऑफ स्टार्स इन द स्काई एट नाइट, or we can see the position of the stars which we see is not the actual position, it is higher than its actual position. Okay, so now here इसका पहले लिखेंगे. अगर in subjective paper if you have to write down, okay, एग्जाम में आप कैसे लिखेंगे या नोटबुक में भी आप जब लिखते हैं तो इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? तो इसको लिखिए सबसे पहले cause. Cause क्या है इसका? एटमॉस्फेरिक रिफ्रैक्शन. Atmospheric refraction is the cause. Now explanation. After that explanation लिखेंगे. Okay, so here in exam you are going to get half mark for this and half mark for diagram, and 1 mark you are going to get for explanation. ठीक है, तो explanation में क्या लिखेंगे? पॉइंट बना के लिखेंगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहता है ना. तो you will write down atmosphere is composed of different layers of air of different optical densities. So now we know that atmosphere is composed of different layers of air of different optical densities or different refractive indices. Okay, yeah, refractive index. Okay, now so when we go down, when we come down on coming towards Earth, towards the earth, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स क्या होता है? रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स क्या होता है? रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इंक्रीजेस. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ लेयर्स ऑफ एयर इंक्रीजेस, है ना? जैसा अभी हमने बताया कि हम सबसे ज्यादा किसका होगा रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स? 1 का, उससे कम 2 का, उससे कम 3 का, सबसे कम होगा 4 का, राइट? सो देयर इज ए कंटिन्यूअस, therefore there is continuous change in path of light is there. Light is there. Yes, continuous change in path of light is there. So this means the bending is most in last layer which is closest to the earth. ठीक, इसमें आगे आप लिख लेंगे, थोड़ा खुद भी लिखेंगे. So bending is most here in the last layer of air which is closest to the earth, and here thus light reaches to us, and when it is produced backward, this ray that appears to be coming from a point behind, above the position A, means apparent position of the star. Okay, done. So note it down. After that, next point. Okay, now next. So now next, advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. So we see the sun in the morning just 2 minutes before its actual sunrise, and in the evening it is seen 2 minutes after, even after it is sunset. तो जब ये छुप जाता है शाम को, फिर भी हमें 2 मिनट तक दिखाई देता रहता है ना? तो here what is the reason? So first of all we have to make the diagram. So this is the earth again, and this is the horizon. ये हमारा हो गया horizon. Okay. Yes. And here is the observer, earth, and these are different layers of air. And we know that we have discussed that refractive index होता है when we are coming towards earth, so mu increases. Okay, ये अभी हमने इससे पहले वाले एग्जांपल में किया था कि रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इंक्रीज करती है, नो? तो सन इज हियर बिलो हॉराइजन. तो सन जो है हमारा यहां पर है. Here is the sun. So this is the sun here. Okay. This is the sun here. And what will happen? A ray of light will start from a sun, or light will start from sun, and it will come to the atmosphere. Atmosphere में enter करेगी because it has to wake up. It has to give us energy. Okay. क्योंकि sun हमको energy देता है. It is the ultimate source of energy on the earth. So light is coming from the sun, and it is okay, यहाँ पर आ गया. This is the sunlight. Now again here it is entering into the atmosphere, so this is the normal. And what will happen? Yes, change in path means refraction, means bending of light will take place. So light, instead of going straight, इसको straight जाने के बजाय it will bend. Okay, it will bend towards normal. It will bend towards normal. Again, here we have to draw the normal. जैसे देखिए क्योंकि रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इंक्रीज कर रहा है ना, तो नाउ बेंडिंग विल बी लेस और मोर. यस, बेंडिंग विल बी मोर बिकॉज रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इज इंक्रीजिंग, है ना? सो इसमें फिर देखिए बेंडिंग होगा इसमें. यस, एंड अगेन हियर वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द नॉर्मल. यस, नाउ अगेन बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट विल take place because refractive index of layer 1 is more than of layer 2, and 2 का refractive index जो है 3 से ज्यादा है. So again bending of light will take place and light will come to observer here. ठीक है, it will come to the observer. तो ये हमने O लिखा तो observer is here. Okay, so this light when it is produced backward, it appears to be coming from this position. तो ये सन जो है हमारा सन, it appears here. So therefore we see the sun before its actual sunrise. So this is the cause. Okay, cause. So here we have to write down cause. Cause क्या होगा इसका? वही atmospheric refraction. Atmospheric refraction is the cause. Explanation, after that you can write down explanation. Okay. उसमें भी क्या आएगा एक्सप्लेनेशन में? We know that atmosphere is composed of different layers of air. इससे पहले हमने जैसे किया था apparent position of stars में, same way we can explain it and we can write. Okay, is it clear? So same thing happens in the evening also. Sun has set, but even then it is visible to us because of the atmospheric refraction which is taking place because of the different layers of air having different refractive indices. ठीक है? Each layer has different optical density. Because of that, refraction of light is taking place. Okay. Now after that, next topic. So note it down. Now next topic is the sun appears oval at sunset and sunrise, but circular at noon. What is the reason behind this? Okay. Again, same reason is there. Atmospheric. So same thing is here. The cause of this is also atmospheric refraction. Okay. So first of all हम लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे cause. Cause क्या है? This is atmospheric refraction. Okay. And atmospheric refraction. इसको यहाँ पे atmospheric refraction it can be written here. Refraction. Because diagram is to be completed. यहाँ पर आएगा. So sun is here, below horizon, and this is the earth. An observer is here. Here diagram I have completed earlier. Okay, just to save time. And these are the different layers of air. So this is 1, 2, 3, and we know that refractive index it increases when we are coming downward. So here rays of two light are starting. एक sun के ऊपर से और एक sun के नीचे से यहाँ से शुरू हो रही है. And these are entering into the atmosphere. And you can see here continuously bending of light is taking place. Okay, so bending of light is taking place because of changing refractive index, right? And these rays यहाँ पर observer की eyes पे आती है. Observer is here. These are received by the observer, and observer means we. And when these are produced backward, पहले इसको backward देखिए लेके जाएंगे इसको. Yes, and then ये वाला this ray. Yes, huh? So here ये इस तरह से आता है shape, right? So here circular shape it appears here. Yes, कैसा आता है? It appears oval because this is less than this. ये इसमें ज्यादा है और ये है less. So here shape appears oval. तो sun जो है it appears oval to us because of the atmospheric refraction of the light. But during noon, जब sun हमारा overhead होता है ना, तो then क्या होता है? It appears circular. So during noon, sun is overhead. Yes, it is the closest to the earth. And when it is closest to the earth, and we know that normal क्या होता है? Normal from a point. ये shortest कब होता है? When है ना normal किसी भी point से जो if we are on the earth here, तो ये shorter distance कब हो सकता है? When it becomes a normal. Here when it comes here, ये ऐसे normal होगा, that is the shortest distance. So means rays of light are coming normally. It is falling normally on us. Straight ऐसे हमारे ऊपर गिर रही है. So when rays of light are falling normally on us, so means refraction of light होगा. The refraction of light will not be there. Means there will be no change in path of light, and sun will appear circular in shape to us. Okay, try to understand because normal is the shortest distance from a point. In mathematics, we are taught here. So sun is overhead during noon means it is shortest distance from the earth, and rays of light are falling normally. These are coming normally in the atmosphere. So no change in path of light is taking place here. Okay, and here I and R are equal. Angle of incidence and angle of refraction are 0. So therefore, there is no change in shape of the earth. We find the sun circular in shape, not oval in shape. I think it is clear now. Okay. In next session, we shall be doing scattering of light. We shall know the difference between dispersion and scattering of light. What is the reason behind the red color of the sun? What is the reason behind the blue color of the sky? This all we shall be discussing. Okay. Till then, thank you.